good day, dear friends. I hope your day's as good as mine. Today I have a surprise for you. We're heading out to just getting ready for hiking. But before we do that, we thought it's a great idea to get this product. This product is intended to last for 25 years, but you never know when we need to run to the hills. So today I'm going to show you what we have, what came in. All right, let's take a look. Okay, so this is a MRE. So we're gonna see what the see what's in this package. All right. "25-year survival kit." But in a little bit we'll be sampling one of these kits, heading up to Mount Charleston. So first packet. In a second, and we'll see what we have here in this tote. See in just a minute. Hello there, friends. We've just finished unpacking rather the tote. Now MRE is something that, of course, you never know when you're going to need it, and we hope we never need it. But I can tell you for sure, in a little bit we'll be heading up Mount Charleston for hiking. So for sure, it'll be today will be the first sample, and although we're not sure exactly what we'll have yet for lunch, I will still share with you whenever we decide. MRE is always something good to have in hand, as I mentioned. This will last for 25 years. 25 years. And in this climate, you never know when you need to run to the hills. So it's better to be prepared than not. So let me start with showing you what, let us start with breakfast. For breakfast, seems like we have a delicious packet of cinnamon sugar oatmeal. From there, we'll go into pancake. So buttermilk pancake. And shall we start dinner? Let's start dinner. We'll start dinner. This is a creamy creamy rice and vegetable dinner. Followed by a delicious Frank's favorite Alfredo. I'll let you know how delicious it is, if this is the one we're gonna have during lunch. Followed by fireside stew. Here we have a combined packet of everything that's being displayed here, which is including the delicious meal of breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So you can assume that all the items I mentioned, or mentioning rather, will be a part of the larger packet for 72 hours. More than likely, what we'll do when we're we'll put it in among our gears today for hiking, because I have everything in there, so we can choose exactly what we wanted from there. So here we have the dinner bell broccoli baked, and America's finest mac and cheese, and of course I may have a little bit of coffee, who knows. So there's some powdered milk, and of course long grain rice. And what would be a dinner without dessert? Here we have a old-fashioned vanilla pudding. So that is pretty much the list, guys. And of course, what is a meal without wine? Wine did not come in the kit. That is extra, that's on the side. That if there's no wine, I'm not eating. So for now, until we head up to the hills, this is the MRE kit. Now, just a little disclaimer. We're not associated with this company. We're just letting you know that it's out there. Alright? So I'll let you know in a little bit what the taste of the day is going to be from our MRE kit. See you in a bit.
Hello there, friends. Good day, good day, good day. Good day wherever you are. I hope your day is as good as mine. Today we're heading up to Mount Charleston. As I mentioned earlier, we opened up that case of MREs, and today is the day we're going to sample it. So we're heading up the trail. We see how far we can go. But just want to take you along with us to give you a little bit of the hiking experience. Mount Charleston, of course, is a part of the Spring Mountain National Preservation. And when you think of it, the Las Vegas Valley right now, it's about 102 degrees. Up at Mount Charleston, the degree is about 77. So that tells you how much cooler it is on the mountain. And for us, it's only about 40 miles out of Las Vegas, or 63 kilometers. So that tells you. When I mentioned about the layers earlier, yes, Las Vegas have layers, and here we are. This is one of it. All right, so I'll catch you in a little bit. We're heading on top of the mountain.
storm. One day you'll fly along. Oh, 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 oh. There'll always be someone trying to hold you down. Just forget about it now. Follow your passion, follow your dreams, even if it flows upstream. It takes a strong soul to live in this world. It takes a strong soul to go deeper. It takes a strong love to go through this madness. It takes a strong love to go through all of it, through all of it. Black balloon, don't you cry. One day you'll learn to fly through the wind, through the storm. One day you'll fly alone. Oh, 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 oh. Black balloon, don't be sad. One day you'll learn to fly through the wind, through the storm. One day you'll fly along. Oh, 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 oh. There'll always be someone trying to hold you down. Just forget about it now. Follow your passion, follow your dreams, even if it flows upstream. It takes a strong soul to live in this world. It takes a strong soul to go deeper. It takes taste of love's gray coast home. The mountains were sap that wireless chime. He was lost in time. Visions like waves float around the lake. The tears gonna dry in the sun. The skies will heal on their own. Memories will be tattoos on your soul. The years will give back what they stole.
Oh man, that is a nice trek up the path. But I tell you, I'm hungry. And remember that MRE we talked about earlier while I was down in the valley? Finally get a chance to try it out. So I'm gonna rip this bag open. Hey, but before I do that, or while I'm doing that, I just want to shout out to my early subscribers. I really appreciate your support. Let me start with friends and family in Jamaica. Oh, what do I have here? Creamy rice dinner. Ah. This is the mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Let's see. Let's dig in further, see what else we have. Oh, creamy sweet oatmeal. I'm not ready for breakfast. Heck no. No breakfast for me. Alright, so I'm gonna put that away. And I think I'm gonna go for the creamy vegetable dinner. Ha ha ha. So, as I was saying, I want to shout out to my friends in the UK. Thanks for your support. It's my earliest subscribers. My friends and family in the Philippines. My friends in Jamaica, in particular. Kamarsh, the wizard. The best magician in Jamaica. And guess what? He's also my nephew. How is that? So, thank you guys for your support. I just want to mention that. And here I am. I'm going to dig into my MRE. Let's see. I should have probably first check out the actual instruction here. So 2.5 cup open pouch, star, 2.5 cup boiling water, reduce heat to medium for 20 minutes, stir frequently, remove and let stand. Okay, that can't be the well, let's give it a shot. We're on the move. Okay, so I'm gonna fill up this pouch. I have to guesstimate. Maybe a little bit more, 2.5 cups. That's probably the entire container here. And man, hold on. For stirring, didn't thought about, I could always do it the Jamaican way and cut a piece of stick somewhere, but I'll use my knife, and hopefully I don't puncture the bag. Okay. Hello there, friends. So I am still hungry. We open up the survival bag of the MRE. No instructions in the actual packet itself. The instruction is enclosed in the content. And so upon opening the bag, we realize that you have to be around fire, really, at home or somewhere at a campfire, in order to prepare these MREs. So if you ever purchase these MREs by just watching this video, do not run to the hills without having a fire or stove. You'll not be able to consume it. So just an FYI. Also, let me mention a little bit about the Patriot product. As I mentioned earlier, we're not affiliated with this company. However, purchasing of these products to support the brave men and women in uniform, and so that's one of the reasons why we were drawn to purchase this product. But again, you have to be at a campsite or have somewhere where you have a fire and a pot in order to make this work. So that is the note and my meal for today. I gotta head back down the hill and find something. But my friends, darn, I will survive. That's what I had. I didn't make too much noise in your ears. I have fists full of pistachio, so I'll have to settle with that for now, and some water. So I still survive anyway, and that won't stop me from heading up the trail. So up the trail we go. All right, while I crunch on some nuts. Pistachio, that is. See you in a moment. Hello there, friends. Guess what else I found? A red stripe beer, man. But guess what? Before me drink it, me gonna put on the Jamaican sleeve. So here I am. I survive anyway. MR didn't work out. I got pistachio, and now I found a bottle of red stripe. So let's get this bottle open. I'm not as skilled as I used to be with opening bottles, but I'm gonna open this sucker. I used to be able to use my ring to open it. Okay, here I am, Jamaican style. Cheers. Hello there, friends. So here we are. I think we have reached as far as we can go for the day. We're gonna head back down. But before I go, I just want to repeat my thanks to my friends in the UK. I use first name only: Claudette, Winston, Leonard, Charlene, of course. Just want to say thank you guys. Well, you're my earliest subscriber. And of course in Jamaica, warm, sunny Jamaica. My nephew, the wizard, Kamash, the best magician in Jamaica. Friends and families of the Philippines. And right here in Las Vegas, and perhaps many more places. Just want to thank you. Thank you. It was a pleasure taking you along the journey. I hope you enjoyed the view. Didn't get to the top, but that's for the next vlog. So, until next time, until we meet again, this is Jamaican on the Move. One love. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Very important. Until then, don't forget that life is not about the beginning of the journey. It's about what you do along the journey. See you next time.
Grab your check